This is Betty and Bella. They're litter mates, and they're both in my home. We're fostering them until they find a lovely home. Look at how good they are together, and they're very happy, good temperament, relaxed puppies. Always tails up and always just very happy. Who wants to have treats? This is Bella here, and this is Betty. Oh, good sit, Betty. Come on, Bella, sit. Good sit. What a good girl. Good sit. Good girl.